Welcome to our futuristic city, a place where technology connects but also creates divide. Today, we explore the dilemma of connections versus isolations in our lives.
Hey Kuga, what's the weather like today?
Cerise, you're always on that phone. Don't you ever look up and enjoy the world around you?
I'm just checking in with friends. This is how we connect now.
With our new app, you can connect with anyone, anywhere, and anytime. It's all about convenience and staying in touch.
But at what cost? Are we losing real connections from virtual ones?
Real connections? This is the future. Embrace it.
It is, but we just wanted to see our photos. Why is this so complicated? It is.
Tata, it's easy. Just swipe right, like this.
Back in the day, we just visited each other.
You think you're safe? Since your data is so fast. That was it. I mean, it was
What do you mean?
every app you use, every click you make, they're watching. You're giving your life for convenience. Unnecessary rewards program.
Wait, Cerise, don't click that. It could be a scam. It's fine. Everyone's doing it. What's the worst that could happen?
A few moments later.
Oh no! What am I done?
I'm investigating how technology affects our lives. People are losing connections, their privacy, and even their identities.
Excuse me, ma'am, but technology helps us connect with people all over the world.
True, but what cost? Are we sacrificing our real relationship for virtual ones?
I am the future. I offer connection, entertainment, and formation. But I also create challenges. The decision is yours. Connection or isolation.
I need to rethink my relationship with technology. It should not control my life.
Let's find a balance. We can enjoy technology without losing real connections.
I will learn to use it, but I won't forget the value of face-to-face conversation. There's nothing like email or a laugh in person.
We should prioritize meaningful interaction. Technology helps us in our daily lives.
I keep exposing the truth about privacy. We need to protect ourselves online.
Together, we can build a better future.
While technological advancements offer incredible potential, they also introduce significant dilemmas. It is crucial to acknowledge both the positive and negative aspects, and to strive for a future where technology enhances, rather than diminishes our lives. Technology changes things and not always in ways we expect. We need to think carefully about the good and bad before we jump in, because these changes affect how we live. Thank you.